Hi guys, I'm making a vlog now, so I hope is everyone okay. I'm fixing, something at 6. It's like lights not coming on. Sometimes display coming on, sometimes lines coming on. Guys, so I need to find a solution. What exactly wrong? So let's go start. These are a display connector. These one display connector, and need to check like all display connectors, all value coming, and everything is okay. And let's start from the display connector. Yeah, the values are like 457. Check this corner, ground. Check this corner, 43, and the pin is a 42. Right, okay. You need to check on the left hand side, the third and fourth pin. This pin 41, 610. Looks like okay. This is the like display connector, and this is you check with the wheels go all the ways, and can this is display IC. Now we can test with the this is the diode. Okay, one side ground, one side is a 41, and check this is capacitor. The capacitor looks like okay, right? Okay, so capacitor 321, sorry, is 10 quid. 10 quid, yeah, 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 no, no, right, okay. And like I think we need to like heat up with the display IC, and after heat up see what exactly going on. If work, that's great, otherwise try something else. This is on this side, and find it. Put in the heat gun, need to heat, put in the air on the one, and heat go on the 600. Right, depend on the what machine you have, like depend is about, you can't put in the more than 5 or 600, depend how you have experience, how you control on your heat gun. Just put in the like 20-30 seconds. I'm using a little bit paste as well for the, this is the paste, if you can see. We can put in a little bit on the touch IC. This is the touch IC. We put in a little bit paste. Paste done. Just reboot. I see now. I hope so. Like after this one, like should be okay. Should be work. That's it. Alright, okay. This one. Oh, it's too hot. I'm sorry. It's too hot. Let's go on this side. This is the just 2 seconds. It looks like it's working fine. It's working fine. It's working fine. It's everything perfectly fine. It's no big hassle. We just spent a couple of minutes. I can, tell you like what exactly do. Thanks very much for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like it, can you please share it and like it, please, and put in the bell icon button as well. Thanks very much.